Big dog came and pulled me out the mud. Learn how to see past the sky and overturn God. Golden patterns, so a mindset. Looking for things I'm waiting to find. Set visions to the future. Unlock and walk under the blue skies. Yeah, ripping 90s OG classics. Got until I lose it, gotta have it. I've been hungry, didn't know they'd have to grab it. Turtle to the hair, I passed it. There goes a rabbit. Carrots and caves, and things had to stack it. Parrots and bays, and things never lack it. Serotonin, I'm aiming, I'm king, made and half it. I mean a prophet, I got ledgers and I got dice and I shoot them, I got twice. Locked up like clocks, mice, down main streets like ladders and hot ice. Walking down a narrow path, embracing the chatter. Get it first, see you later. I'm never the latter, never wanting to try offers. Dark come on and we rolling like raptors, huh? We run on to get rolling, who ordered some chapters. Thought we were never in disguise. Habituals and things caught in the rise. Jamaican walked by and saw a gorilla in the sky. We waving our arms, no questions, no armors and answers. No hitting skies, no starving, no planets here. I'm zoning, I'm guarding my mans here. Tell them don't stand clear. To plucking products, meeting demands here. Wipe the sweat and the grease off my forehead and hands here. Take off from the south, touchdown and land here. Face off in mastery. Turning months into smiles, I'm Casby. Crunch time and come, and we frontin', no trills, no pills, no bluntin'. I mean, diamonds, we onto something. Funny things and forward things is bumpin'. I mean, I've been storing things, I'm onto something. Caught a old man on the edge, I told him dream, and that's all that he was snoring and things. I mean, we fed, I mean, cautious and clean, proper and casual, legal bowling things. Wolves and sheep like Wolverines, we close and wonder what ghosts could bring.